This is Tomal here. Today we are in the session of how to open a notepad. I know this is a very easy version that how to open a notepad, but as I am going serially through my this tab pattern, so I think this is the one I have to give you. So that's why I am telling you how to open a notepad. There are a few ways that you can open a notepad. The first thing you can open is in the Windows 10, click on Windows button, and as the menu comes up, you go to this particular all apps. You scroll down, sorry, in this all apps portion. Then you scroll down, and from there, in the you come to the Windows part. Yeah, this is your Windows part, and click on this Windows accessories part. See, this is the Notepad option. As I clicked on, this Notepad opens up. So this is the one option through which you can open the Notepad. Now I'm writing, I am testing, and I'm saving it in my desktop. See, this is the desktop part comes. I'm writing with my name Kamal 1 or 2, and I'm saving it. Now the another way of saving opening a notepad. Suppose this is the open notepad. I have opened it. So the another way is click on file, click on new. This is another way. The another way is press Windows and R button at the same time. See, this is a search button, run button comes up. Here you can write the as written previously notepad. You just press enter. So this is all the way we can open the notepad in my Windows 10 option. So this is all for the day, and coming session we will do something more in the Windows session. Be with us. Thank you for staying with us. I am representing PRC or MP. The website is www.prcomp.org.in. Call is 8420879158. Email is dastamal6@gmail.com. Thank you for sharing, liking, and subscribing my video. Thank you.